Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Fab Fit Fun unboxing for summer. This box is huge, could barely fit it all on camera. But I did receive an email that one of the items I selected, there was some kind of like quality issue with it, so they wouldn't be sending it. They sent me a different item, but they gave me a $25 credit, which I thought was awesome. So on top, there's some summer stickers, really cute. Also have $15 off code. I do have a promo code that will save you the same amount. I'll link below off your first box. They always include a magazine that goes over all the products. Every box is different. I sign up for a yearly subscription, which means I get to customize some of mine, but it tells you how much everything costs. There's normally some recipes, and yeah, just more information about the products. So that's always fun to look at. I don't really remember what I customized, which is nice because then it's kind of like a surprise all over again. We normally have some more coupon codes. There's a HelloFresh one, which again, I have one of those. I'll put below. One for Bright Sellers for wine. And let's dig in. Is this a beach towel? No. Let's see. What is this? Oh, it is a beach towel. It threw me off with the fringe. That's cute. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's a very pretty tie-dyed towel. Blue, pink, and purple. It does have a little bit of fringe on it. And we do have a pool, so I will definitely use that. So that's a good item. Also have Malin Goats. That's probably not even how you say that. But I've had their products before from Ipsy. This one is a full size of their vitamin E face moisturizer. So that's awesome. Ooh, could definitely use this again with the pool. This is a moisturizing after sun gel, soothing aloe vera. It's a pretty big bottle. I'm gonna put that in the fridge right now. That's perfect. Also have, oh, it's one of those little foot scrapers, for lack of a better word. Ah, pedicure file. There you go. Always use that. Then we have, looks like some like to-go utensils maybe? I bet this is the item they subbed out, because the item that I didn't get was like a lunch cooler. So this would make sense if it's like a lunch item. Let's see here. Can I open it? Try not to like gouge my nails. Oh my goodness. Poultry case, fork, spoon, knife. Okay, so I was correct. But why can I not open it? Oh, duh, there you go. So that's what that looks like. That's pretty cool. It's reusable, so that's nice to have. Next we have a Bluetooth speaker. And it looks like it has a wrist strap with it. So there's a charging cord. That's cute. And a little strap you can attach to it. Perfect. So far, pretty good box. Micro pack. I think that's one of those little moisture things. Then we have a Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by Ciate London. But that smells amazing. And I think this might be the last one. This is a Fruit Butter Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals. That's cool. Let's see, was that it? I think that was it. Let me get the magazine. So I will go ahead and count up how much my box was worth. I always put the value because, again, it does range. But yeah, some really awesome products this season. And if you guys are interested, I'll put my playlist below and everything in the description box, including the link if you'd like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.